makes it do different things.
Yeah.
All right. So this time, guys, if you stick your legs out like that.
Yeah.
And you, mate.
Yeah.
And put your hands on your knees.
Yeah.
Stay in that position for the first 1 or 2 bounces. Right?
Does it make you spin loads?
It should drag it up like this. So
cool.
all you do is keep your weight forward.
All
so
right.
legs up,
Okay, right.
hands on your knees. Right. Sort of get your weight forward.
Right,
gonna spin.
on the word go, yeah?
Well, just stay like that now, yeah.
Start that now, right. So we're going to go spinning, mate.
We're gonna spin, Dad. Ross
We're
spinning.
going to spin it now.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I think it's his first bit that threw me off at first.
Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
It's so fun.
Get up, What the fuck's that all about? Hey,
Oh, that's amazing.
hey up!
That was so fun.
Oh, it's cool, isn't it? Oh, I like that.
That was so good.
That's funny.
That's made my legs shiver.
That is funny, actually. That's really good.